Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Asu, Rover on Roblox mobile using an easy method. First, you'll need to download the Roblox application from your device's app store. Once installed, ensure your mobile device has a strong, stable internet connection. Then, simply log in to your existing Roblox account or quickly create a new one if needed. Finally, use the in-game search bar to find and select Asu, Rover to begin your musical journey. Now that you're in the game, let's understand the controls. Asu, Rover on mobile primarily uses touch input. For standard hit circles, you'll tap them precisely as the outer ring shrinks and aligns. Sliders require you to tap and hold, then drag your finger along the designated path. Spinners are a bit different. You'll need to rapidly move your finger in a circular motion to fill the meter before time runs out. It's all about timing and precision. To truly excel, consider these gameplay tips. First, head into the game settings and adjust your screen sensitivity. Finding the right level can significantly boost your accuracy. Many players find using both thumbs or two fingers allows for faster and more efficient tapping, especially on complex patterns. Start with easier maps to build a solid foundation of rhythm and hand-eye coordination. Always focus on the approach circles to perfectly time your taps. Ready to master Asu, Rover? Experiment with different finger positions to discover what feels most comfortable and effective for you. Watching replays of your own gameplay can be incredibly insightful, helping you pinpoint areas where you can improve. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself with slightly harder maps once you feel confident. This pushes your limits. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 10 to 15 minutes each day, will yield significant results over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.